Up 2018. It's a big event this evening. A lot of Asian cuisine going on right now. And as you can see, there's a band playing, so there's a lot of music, as well as kid festivities. So come on in, let's have a look at what they got. Have a good night. See what's over here. Hi, babies. How are ya? Win. Spin the wheel and win a prize. Give it a shot, folks. Step right up. Give it a shot.
English champion. I can't make her.
Perfect.
Yay! Next, so you're on Instagram, so you call it AmericaLuigi?
AmericaLuigi, yes. Dumplings over here, beef pie. What do we got over here? Sweet bun. Classic bun, spicy bun. It's packed. It's packed. It's a hot night. Show us here. This is what? The Markham bun? Yeah.
So this one is chicken.
Chicken.
Second one is curry, and that one is
Nice. Good stuff. Hey guys, how are you? How you guys doing tonight? What do you have for me? All right, man. Looks good. Fruit. Pineapple and watermelon. You can't go wrong. Right here, folks. Come here. We're going to have you on video. What is it?
Oh, it's like a combination of shaved ice and ice cream.
Shaved ice and ice cream.
Yes, like it's cooler than the ice cream, but
Right.
creamier than shaved ice. We combine it like an icy married ice cream, so you can taste that flavor.
Perfect. It's really, really good. Good. What do you have here? What's that? Scallop. Okay. Oh, nice. This is shellfish. Scallops. Hi guys, AmericaLuigi here with Angela, Callan, Mark. Night out at the Markham Civic Centre. It's a great night. Come out and enjoy the fun. Lots of food. Have a good night.
Bye!